Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to change the display refresh rate on your computer. Go to your desktop and right click anywhere. Now select display settings. In the settings app that opens, scroll down and click on advanced display. Here you will need to select the display for which you want to change the refresh rate. As you can see, I currently have two displays connected. One is the internal one and the second one is the monitor. Now select the display for which you want to change the refresh rate. Now go to the choose the refresh rate option and you can use this drop down menu to change the refresh rate. You will see this pop up if you want to keep these settings or go back to the previous refresh rate. Similarly, I can also change the refresh rate of the external monitor. For that, I'll see different options as shown on the screen. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.